Alright guys, today, I don't know if you can really tell, we're going to be doing the headlights. I had got this truck for my gramps, and unfortunately he passed away, but that's part of life. And he already had this one to replace, guys, so it come new, and it's been like this for a while. But, as you can see, the old one from the sun, I mean, it's a big difference, guys. See there? I don't know if it's too dark to be able to tell, but it's definitely a lot. How would you call it, Bridge?
It's oxidized.
Oxidized
from the sun.
from the sun. Now, Bridge is gonna get it cleared up, and you're gonna start with what, Bridge?
800.
800.
Wet.
Wet. She's got the buffer. And she's gonna be using this stuff. Her dad had some other stuff, but he said this works the same. They're paint and body people, so you know they know what they're doing. Now, her dad, Mr. Russo, did mention after doing this process, we would normally spray a clear coat over it, but he doesn't have a can on him. So by doing this, it's gonna last. He said, what, Bridge? 1 to 2 years,
Yeah.
roughly.
Yeah.
The sun's always gonna beat him up, oxidize. But he's got some real nice, expensive stuff, and he's gonna be doing his headlights. So here in a couple of days, maybe a week or so. So he says once he does his, bring the truck back by, and he'll go ahead and spray it on there, which will last a lot longer. Now the other can he mentioned to me, I don't know the name of it, that he said if he had, he'd let me use, and he said that one would last about up to 5 years. So even this ain't gonna keep him permanently good, but this is the process of it, guys. Now what's going on there, Bridge? You're just scrubbing.
Just sanding off some of the yellow stuff that gets on there.
The oxidate?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're sanding that.
So do you think, Bridge, because most people don't have buffers or a good best friend like me, so do you think just wet sanding it like that would, oh, it wouldn't
You
do
have
nothing?
to buff it.
Oh, okay. So we have to buff it, guys. Trying to say.
It will make it, the sandpaper's going to dull it.
Oh, okay.
The buffer's going to make it shiny.
Oh, make it nice and shiny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's still the same sand?
No, you're
Okay.
going to switch over to 1000 at the end.
Now we're going to 1000 at the end, guys. Wet. Okay. Thank you, Bridgie.
You're welcome.
You're doing a good job, hon. I'm sure there's other videos that show these kind of steps, guys. So my thing is she already knows how. Her and her dad got the tools, the knowledge. Why sit there trying to research and do these things myself? When again, let the professionals handle it, especially when they're giving you a family discount for free. I'm excited though. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Like I said, it's just a eyesight sore, I guess. You know, come walking up to your truck and one headlight's dull. I mean, dull. And then the brand new one sticks out. Kind of thought it was neat too. I was like, well, I guess he's winking at you. You know, one eye closed, one clear. But yeah, see how this goes, guys. Already looks better, Bridge. I think. And when you're sanding it, you don't really put that much pressure, right, hon?
No.
Just let the sandpaper do the work.
Yeah, I mean you put some pressure.
Yeah, but you're not like really putting elbow into it.
No. Let me see how it comes out.
Okay.
And then if I need to do it again.
Okay. So now you're just adding
The compound.
the compound?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Buffing compound.
Buffing compound, guys.
It's going to be a heavy cut.
A what?
Heavy cut.
A heavy cut is what it's going to be, guys. Heavy to cut. You already see it coming out, Bridge. What speed do you have it on, Bridge? 15?
15.
It has it on 15, and as you can see, it's working it around, working the compound. Give me that turn back, guys. Man, that looks way better, Bridge. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think,
Do you
huh?
want me to do it again? Sound it again?
That's up to you. You're the professional. What do you think?
Do it again if you want.
Okay, do it again, sweetheart. Yeah, that's brand new though, guys. Like I said, so that one was brand new, replaced. We're trying to get this one as close as we can to match him. So same process. What are you starting with again, Bridge?
800.
800 wet sand. You might have to do it a few times, I guess, guys, but each time should get it a little more clear. Now, Bridgie, let's say you want it. Could you just keep doing the steps over and over till you get it, or eventually there's only so much?
Yeah, you can only go so much. Like it won't get
brand new.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be a lot better than what it was. So keep that in mind too, guys. It's not gonna come out looking brand new, but it's definitely gonna come out a lot better, a lot clearer. I don't even know what the headlamps go for, so I'm pretty sure this is the next best thing. Do you guys charge to do this kind of stuff, Rich? The customers usually don't.
Well, we only do the hot rounds and stuff, so they always have new.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Sometimes we'll do collision repair, but most of the time we don't have time for that because we're already full.
Also, hopefully here, guys, within a week or so, we're going to be upgrading the truck with some new tires, 4-inch lift kit, rear different lock, and a front true track is what I'm going to put up in there. I'm going to have a shop do it, just again because of my work injury. I'm only allowed to do X amount of things, and would love to attempt it myself, but get her done. Oh yeah. That's what I'm doing now. I made it before and after. It was so dull. It was like almost that blinking. Right, it was like the blinking.
Yeah, that does a nice job. It really does.
I left it once and then I found it.
Right.
So I sanded them, they're plastic. And I buffed it, it looks just like glass.
Oh, wow. That's what Bridget was telling me, that sun oxidizes them. And oh, yeah, Bridget.
Probably couldn't even see in there, huh?
You sure couldn't. Yeah, we took pictures too.
I did the van a couple of years ago, but it's starting to fade. I need to do it and clear them.
Clear coat it?
Yeah, and then they'll last.
There it is, guys.
Did you find a sponge?
No, I gotta get one.
Thanks
I
for
think
viewing
there's
and
one
have a
right
good day.
outside
Be
by
safe
the
out there.
trampoline.
God
When I
bless.
was cleaning up, I found one. I put it over there.